Hi, I'm Fiona from ShiFio Patterns, and today I'm going to be showing you the shell stitch. I've used it a couple of times on some of our patterns. I've done it on our pattern 34, which is a bodysuit, and pattern 35, which is a set of 2 matinee jackets, a dress and dungarees. I quite like this, obviously, because I've used it a couple of times. There's one side and there's the other side, so it's reversible, so it makes a nice blanket. We start off this stitch on a base row of single crochets. It is a 6 stitch repeat plus 1, so we are going to start by chaining 20. Here we go. So I'm using, for this, I'm using a 4mm crochet hook, nice metal one, and some light worsted yarn. And that's also a G hook, in case you want to know. So we twist the yarn around our finger to create a loop, then push the yarn through and pull it. Then you pop your hook in and you tighten. Okay, so we're going to chain 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you twist your yarn to catch it and pull it through, and that's how you do a chain. And now I've lost count. I'll do a few and then count them. My voice is a bit funny because I'm just getting over COVID. Okay, let's see, how many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Woohoo! One off. Okay, so for our base row of single crochet, we are going to do, or we're going to make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. So it's not the first one there, it's the second one there. And I like doing this in the bump on the back of the chains, so you can see them. So it'll not be the first bump there, it'll be the second one. So to single crochet, put your hook through the loop, twist the yarn to catch it, pull it through, twist the yarn to catch it and pull it through, and that's a single crochet made. And we're going to do this all the way across into each chain, and that will give us 19 chain for our 6 stitch plus 1 repeats. That's 18 plus the 1. Prefer doing the chains in the bump on the back of the chain because, let's see if you can see, there's the top and then there is the bottom, and they look the same. I just think it's a bit neater, especially if you were doing a blanket and you weren't planning putting on an edging or anything. It just looks a bit neater. I will put links to the patterns that I've used this stitch on down below for you. They're paid patterns on our website, shifio.co.uk. We also have an Etsy store, Ravelry, Lovecraft. We also sell on Amazon as well. UK only, I'm afraid, for papered patterns. basically just search ShiFio. Oops. Last couple are always a bit fiddly. Okay, so there's our beginning single crochet row. So we will do 1 chain, and then you want to single crochet into the first stitch. So insert your hook into the stitch, catch the yarn over hook, and pull through the 2. Then we're going to miss those 2 stitches, and we're going to work into this one. So we're going to work 5 double crochet into this stitch here. So that's yarn over hook, hook through, yarn over hook and pull through, yarn over hook, pull through 2 loops, yarn over hook and pull through 2 loops. So again, yarn over hook, hook through, yarn over hook and pull through, yarn over hook and pull through 2 loops, yarn over hook and pull through 2 loops. So we need to make another 3 of these. 1, 2, 3. Then we have to skip 2 more stitches, and we do a single crochet into the next stitch. So here is the repeat for this row. Whoops. So you skip 2 stitches, 5 double crochet into the next stitch. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you skip 2 more stitches, and you single crochet into the next stitch, and that's the repeat. So skip 2 stitches, 5 double crochet into the next stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then skip 2 and single crochet into the last one. Okay, so that's row 2 done. We're going to turn, and here you can either 3 chain, or as I prefer, an invisible double crochet. So what we do for an invisible double crochet is we do 1 chain, we make a single crochet into the first stitch there, then you take your hook and you put it between the 2 loops here, put your yarn over hook and pull it through, yarn over hook and pull it through. So it's like you've got 2 single crochets stacked one on top of the other. So we're going to do 2 double crochets into the base of that stitch there. Then we're going to miss 2 stitches, or skip 2 stitches. I'm going to do a single crochet into the next stitch. Now this is where the repeat starts for the pattern. So you skip 2 stitches and you do 5 treble into the next one, which is the single crochet from the row before. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. skip 2 more stitches, and then single crochet into the next stitch. So the repeat again is skip 2 stitches, 5 double crochets, catch it in my hand, into the next stitch, which is the single crochet from the row before. 3, 4, 5, skip 2 stitches, and then single crochet into the next stitch. Okay, so we're going to finish off the row, we're going to skip this 2 stitches, and we're going to do 3 double crochet into the last stitch. So that's the 3rd row done. Okay, so the 4th row, and the pattern is basically repeating row 3 and row 4. So the last row we just did, and the one I'm about to show you. So you chain 1, and you do a single crochet into the top of that stitch there. You miss 2 stitches, and you make 5 double crochets, 3, 4, 5 into the next stitch, which again is the single crochet from the previous row. You miss 2 stitches, and you do your single crochet into the next stitch. So this is where the repeat starts. You skip 2 stitches, you do your 5 double crochets into the single crochet from the row before. So 4, 5, you miss 2 stitches, and you do a single crochet into the top. So you skip 2 stitches, and you do 5 double crochets into the next stitch. 3, 4, 5, and you skip 2 stitches, and you do your single crochet into the top of the last stitch. And because we've done this invisible double crochet, I just think it's much easier also to work a stitch into the top of it instead of a 3 chain. So now I'm going to turn. So now I'm going to do, so the repeated rows are these 2 here. The last 2 rows I've shown you. So I'm going to repeat this row again. I'm going to show you, I'm going to change the yarn color. So to change the yarn color, you lay your new yarn over the hook and you pull it through. That's basically it. And then you just pull both of the tail ends together. I like to keep a hold of them. Okay, so we're going to do a 1 chain to start off our invisible double crochet. Again, you can just do a 3 chain if you want here, that's fine. Also, I'm going to pull my ends along the back of this row so that I don't have to sew them in, because I hate sewing in if I can help it. So we're going to make the invisible double crochet. So we put our hook into the first stitch, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through. So we've made a single crochet. Then we put our hook between those 2 loops, yarn over hook and pull through, yarn over hook and pull through. So it's like 2 single crochets balanced on top of each other. So then we make our 2 double crochets, okay, so we skip 2 stitches and we single crochet into the next stitch. So as you can see, what I'm doing here is I've popped my hook through that next stitch, so 1, 2, pop my hook through the next stitch, and I lay the yarns, the tail ends, over my hook, and I catch the white yarn and pull it through and finish making my single crochet. Now you may have to, you know, tidy them up a wee bit when you're finished, but I just think it's easier that way. Anyway, so we're going to skip 2 stitches. I'm going to make 5 double crochet into that single crochet there. So again, I've put my hook through, I've put my hook through. Now I'm going to lay these 2 over the hook, hold them tightly, catch the white yarn, pull it through, and continue to make my double crochet as normal. 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I need my trusty pair of scissors, which I should have had out before, but I didn't. And we'll just come on there. I like these little embroidery scissors. I think you can get quite close in for trimming off ends. So then we skip 2 stitches, make a single crochet into the next one, skip 2, make 5 double crochet into the next stitch, 2, 3, 4, 5, skip 2 stitches, 1 single crochet into the top of there, skip 2 stitches, and 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3. There. So there we go. There's the shell stitch. I hope you liked this video. If you have, please like, subscribe to our channel, share the video. As I say, I'll post any links to patterns we've made with this stitch down below. So thank you for watching. Happy crocheting.